So at Frost Science, our mission is to inspire people to explore the universe and everything that includes, including our bodies. We are in MeLab, our exhibition on health in the human body, checking out our new exhibit, Brain Odyssey, which was funded through partnership with Baptist Health. So the Brain Odyssey is a digital exploration of the human brain. It takes you through the levels of the brain from the macro scale, the surface level, down through to the micro scale, all the way to the atomic level, where you get to look at neurotransmitters moving between synapses.
I think it's a little window into the mystery of the brain, showing different parts of it, and importantly showing what some of the functions are of different parts of the brain, and at a microscopic level, the function of neurons, astrocytes, interactions with chemical elements at synapses, etc. So I think it's really cool. I think it's great for kids because they see pictures and the pictures are moving, so it looks real and it's fun. For adults, there's relatively straightforward explanations for functions of the brain and what different parts of the brain do, so I think it can be enjoyed by both age groups. I've already talked to the person who helped put this together, and we want one for our lobby so that our patients can enjoy the same thing we did today.